Good morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair, where we'll be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 2% in the last session. The CCI is heating up and is currently positive. Bitcoin has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ADX moved sharply into positive territory. The price of gold has lost 4.6% in the last session. The RSI collapsed into the oversold zone. The price of crude oil has added 6.9% in the last session. The Williams indicator has shot up into the positive zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil jumped by almost 10% for its biggest daily gain in more than 6 months after Pfizer announced promising results for its COVID-19 vaccine candidate. New Zealand's central bank is expected to unveil a new monetary policy tool this week to drive borrowing costs. Ripple is opening a new office in Dubai, while President-elect Joe Biden mulls 2 crypto-friendly potential cabinet picks.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Japanese machine tool orders will be released at 400 GMT, the UK construction output at 500 GMT, the UK GDP at 500 GMT, the UK industrial production at 500 GMT, the UK trade balance at 500 GMT, and the US MBA mortgage applications at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.